Ah, there we go. Yep. What do you know? I actually did it right. All right. So like I did last year, I'm gonna broadcast solving Advent of Code to absolutely no one who's watching on Twitch. Although I might actually bother to grab the recordings this year, since apparently they don't get kept for very long. Um, Also, this is not at midnight Eastern when the puzzles drop. I kind of figured out that that much adrenaline that late at night does not do well for getting productive sleep. So I will be starting these. Well, most of them probably the night after. So I probably won't be chasing the global leaderboard, but my goal is to not actually look at them at all during the day. So hopefully I get a realistic time, even if it's not official, because obviously the uh, solution or the problems and solutions have been out for a while. So obviously won't be competing for spots on the global leaderboard or really even the private one I'm a part of. But I don't know. We can still at least play along, have some fun, and see how things solve. So let's see. I've got my basic setup, and yeah, basically we'll see the problem, grab the answers, or grab the key that I have, and then start writing some code. So usually the first few days are relatively straightforward, but who knows? We've been known to get a few oddballs, and I've also been known to screw a few up, which makes them worse. So yeah, I guess I will. I'll grab. Actually, go back and grab the timestamp off this later. But it looks like about 8:19:10 is when I'm going to start. So first problem. Oh, we're stranded at the edge of the solar system. Nice. Um, Fuel. Okay. Module based on its mass. Take its mass, divide by 3, round down, subtract 2. Input. Ooh, we have a very long input today. Which I guess shouldn't be terribly surprised. Oh, what's our sample one? Mass of 12. Find the fuel required mass, but so we add them all together and get the values. Okay, so our at this, and we're going to part now together. So lines, split screen, find to the thing here, select parse. Total fuel requirement. So full select mass divided by 3, round down, which integer division will do already, and then subtract 2. Actually, do we have negative or 0 numbers? We don't, so no case. Requirement term 2 2 2 2. Why not take a shot? Nice. So that was at 2113. All right, so part 2. Take this and send it over because that's how these work. All right. Okay. That fuel requires as if it was 0 fuel. Okay. Back to this momentarily. S max. Basically, I'm doing the math.max to get make sure that we always have at least 0. So if this comes out negative, we'll get comes this. Then treat the input mass and repeat the process. Module mass calculates fuel. Treat the fuel. There's no. Got it. And so we keep doing the sum of the fuel requirements. Okay. This. And so we'll do a get fuel all, which is the whole thing. So get fuel all. Full. This. And effectively, I just want to recurse off calling get fuel. Exactly. If mass recurse total fuel requires just okay. That and mass is. Oh, I gotta change this. Part 2. Where is that 9? 6. Okay, it looks like ballpark. Bingo. We have that, which 24:16, and of course I don't remember what time I started. So I'm actually gonna barely have to. Way I can watch my stream. So that put me. That put me. Let's see here. I'm gonna pop back in my stream here just a moment. All right, I can't figure out how to scroll backwards in my stream while I am still streaming it. So I guess I need to do. Gotta mute myself. I guess I'm gonna have to do a little better job of recording when I start, so I can see roughly where I land. So I guess I will when I start my stream for day 2. I'll have looked at my stream for day 1 and figured out roughly how long it took to solve it and figured out where that would put me on the lead. My guess is, yeah, that seemed. I'm betting part 1, I'm somewhere in the 70. Part 2, probably off because I took too long for the recursion thing. But yeah, so I guess I'll check that out and I'll mention that on the stream for day 2. So I guess with that, I will be pushing these up to GitHub, and I'll put links somewhere, I guess. But yeah, today's was relatively straightforward. It was really kind of looks like it was just to kind of get us in the habit of parsing data and a little bit of basic recursion. So with that, I'll end it for this one. 2 will probably be going up pretty soon because I'm kind of in the mood.